What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart, and I will show you that we hit our price target that I set back in the days in late May 2022. And then I will continue with the fundamental news, and definitely for now we have a bunch of news directly related to NIO, and unfortunately they are not so bullish. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we hit this range of resistance, and at this very point I've told you that it is very risky to enter your long position, because the higher this asset goes, the lower probability we have that it might hit the range, the price target basically that I set back in the days on late May, on May 25th, 2022, and definitely we had this possibility to hit this price target. And for those of you who entered your position at this very point on one of my previous videos, or right here at the very bottom of this price action in the golden pocket right after the first wave was formed, definitely you are in a very lucrative position with the upside potential of up to 64.03%. Definitely it is a very good achievement, and I have to say that NIO is a very technical asset, and you can watch a bunch of my previous video and you can see that my technical analysis is quite accurate. This means you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. And let's continue with the fundamental news, and let me show you what do we have from the fundamental standpoint. Definitely we have a bunch of news directly related to NIO, and all of them basically describes one horrible accident that happened late Wednesday, and that killed 2 people that was sitting in the NIO. And definitely it is a very heartbreaking accident, and I have to say that the most important part of this accident is how NIO described this situation. And I will put all the links on these articles in the description below, but let me show you this summary. New York-listed NIO issued a brief statement late Thursday saying it was deeply saddened by the death of pair, one an employee and another who worked for a NIO supplier, and had set up a team to help grieving family members. But it added that its own preliminary analysis had found the accident was not caused by an issue with the vehicle, and this is the most important part. Less than an hour later, it tweaked its statement slightly to emphasize that a final conclusion had not yet been reached. But NIO's comments set off a wave of criticism online as skeptical netizens accused the carmaker of being cold-blooded, while others questioned how it could rule out a vehicle problem so quickly. It took just a half of a day for the company to confirm that it has nothing to do with the car. Hard to believe that this was a professional and detailed investigation. I feel like they just want to claim their innocence for the sake of their brand reputation, one said on China's Twitter like Weibo. Another added, now it sounds like they are trying to hide something. For many, NIO's brief statement about the accident raised more questions than answers. Why not to test cars on the road? Is testing car in a building legal? One wrote on Weibo. Comments about the accident, including under the hashtag NIO's response to the car plunged is called bolded, have been viewed more than 160 million times on Chinese social media. And I have to say that we have basically a weekend, and last 2 days we don't have any trades at all, and this means most likely when this asset reached this price target that I said previously, we might see the retracement. And definitely I've told you that we should see this retracement, and this retracement might unload the entire structure from its lowest point at on May 11th 2022 from roughly $12, and definitely this will be the reset of its price action to hit much higher targets. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if I switch to hourly time frame, let me show you that right here I connected these tops, this top and this one, and we can even make this line more accurate. If I edit it like this, let me show to you. As you can see, we have very good range of support. We had very good range of support, and we formed this ascending triangle. And this formation usually breaks to the upside, and definitely we had this breakout, and definitely for now we pretty much completed the entire fifth wave. And I don't think that we might hit higher targets. It is still quite possible, but not more than 10% probability. And then, as you can see, we completed all 5 waves. This means we should see the retracement. And if it is the case, we can project some levels where we might land by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom, from this point, to the very top. And if it is the very top, definitely we should see this retracement that might hit lower prices. And the most important ranges starts from 0.382, then 0.5 and the golden pocket range. And it is the price points from $19.48 to $18. And in my opinion, it is the most crucial range for NEO right now. And I will explain you why. And the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. But it doesn't mean that the price might hit this range. It is only the chance that if the price hit this range, we have statistically more than 70% probability to have a bounce to the upside. So, and what should we expect next? For those of you who entered your long-term investment position with NEO, and I suggested you to do so on every daily red candle, this means your potential entry point should be lower than $20. You have nothing to worry about this situation, because in the long run, NEO will settle this problem, and definitely it might hurt its fundamental numbers. But all in all, I have to say that, for example, Tesla has several similar accidents, and unfortunately it happens, and this means this might be only the short-term catalyst, despite its horrible nature and 2 deaths related to this crash. So, and what should you do if you want to enter your position? Definitely, in my opinion, from this top or maybe a bit higher, I don't think that we might hit much higher targets. We have to have the retracement because we completed all 5 waves, and these ranges might be very crucial for you to accumulate the position. And in my opinion, the 0.5 range is the most important one, because it is the confluence of 3 potential ranges of support. First of all, it is 0.5, and it is quite strong range of support. Next one, it is the round number of $18, and usually round numbers also acts as a supports and resistances. And the third one is this yellow line. It is the price action. It is the range of support / resistance from previous price action. It is the top of our first wave right here, and it is the bottom of our wave right here. And we have very good, as you can see, we have very good reaction from this range at these very points, and definitely because of this we might see the trend reversal from the 0.5 level. So I have to say that if you want to enter your swing trade position, just wait for the retracement, and if you want to see more confirmation of the uptrend, just wait for the bounce from certain level, and you should enter your position. Let me show it to you. If we might have something like this, then you should enter your position when you can see the retracement. And on this price action, you can enter your long position, but your stop loss should be slightly below this previous bottom. And this will give you more chances to hit higher targets. But also this setup has a possibility to break this range of support. And we might have another potential ranges of support from this level. And right here, on the retracement, you also have the possibility to re-enter your position with the tight stop loss slightly below this bottom. And the lower this asset goes, the more probability of the bounce it has. And definitely, if you want to see these confirmations, just wait for them. And in this case, you will be on a safer territory. So, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get it caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap, only